Well, back here on Monday, around 75,000 students will be returning to classes in person at ASU. They are the first in the state to start spring semester with in-person classes. And as Monica Garcia explains, they're returning to stricter COVID testing requirements.
So out of that 75,000, 11,000 students living on campus are required to show a negative COVID test by Monday, meaning if you haven't gotten tested now, you should be doing so in order to get those results back by the first day of classes. Freshmen Brandon Nason and Josh Lacalo have never known college without a pandemic.
Everybody hates it. Like, it has literally been the weird experience
As they prepare to go into their second semester at ASU.
It was definitely not what I was expecting for college.
They both say they left their home states, Texas and California, in the middle of a pandemic in the pursuit of a little more freedom,
social life really takes a hit on that.
only to be met with some pretty strict policies on campus.
You got to get a negative COVID test to come on,
No outside guests.
which sucks. So, like, family, they had that one day to help us move in, and then they were gone.
Back in the fall, university officials say they tried a more relaxed approach, but contribute that to a large spike in cases seen shortly after classes began.
We feel like if you are in a structured environment in the classroom and you're adhering to public health protocols, generally speaking, you're going to be okay.
Even though total enrollment is up 7% this semester, the amount of students living on campus is down around 5,000.
Yes, it is pretty lonely.
We're giving students a choice in terms of how they want to learn.
They're also upping the number of random COVID testing on students and staff from 4% to now 25% every week.
And that will give us a good sense of what's happening with the spread of the virus within the ASU community.
Hoping things start to get a little better so we can do more, because it just makes everything a nightmare.
Meanwhile, the university has already canceled spring break in exchange for a shorter semester in efforts to help slow the spread of the virus. In Phoenix, I'm Monica Garcia with Arizona's Family.